We can understand the working of SCR better through a two-transistor analogy. The SCR can be considered as two separate transistors. So, the equivalent circuit of SCR is composed of a PNP transistor and an NPN transistor interconnected to form a regenerative feedback pair. In the circuit, the collector of transistor 1 serves as the base of transistor 2. Similarly, the collector of transistor 2 acts as base of transistor 1. So, any increase or decrease of current in one transistor will affect the other. Now, we supply voltage V, which is less than the breakover voltage. With gate open, that is the switch S, there is no base current in the transistor 2. Therefore, no current flows in the collector of transistor 2. As this collector is the base of transistor 1, no current flows in the transistor 1 as well. Under this condition, the SCR is open. If the switch S is closed, a small gate current will flow through the base of transistor 2, which means the collector current will increase. The collector current of transistor 2 is the base current of transistor 1. Therefore, with the increase in the collector current of transistor 2, the base current of transistor 1 should also increase. So, this action is accumulative since as an increase of current in one transistor causes an increase of current in another transistor. This is the regenerative loop of current. Because of this action, both transistors are driven into saturation, hence heavy current flows through the circuit. This is the two-transistor analogy of SCR where we get a regenerative loop of current.